Just checking the blinkers. It's Thursday, and we're going camping in the rain. This is crazy. I've camped in the rain, but this is just, sorry for the crazy camera movements. This is just like downpour. This is mud. Everywhere's flooded. Look at this behind the camper. It's just flooded. Alright, blinker's working there. Over here, it's flooding everywhere. And it really just started because it's going to be 100% rain all the way till, I think, Saturday morning. But we're going camping. We're going to go somewhere we've been before. Probably spend a lot of time inside the camper. That's okay, because it will be relaxing. I am going to get out of the rain and head out. Heather will be down later. We're heading to Atwood Lake again. Somewhere close. Heather can still go to work on Friday. And I know it will not be muddy because everything there is concrete slabs. See you soon. So yeah, we're going back down to Atwood Lake. We've already recorded a video here. It's a nice park. We knew it was going to be very rainy, so that's another reason why we chose Atwood, because you sit up high and all of the sites are concrete, so we won't have mud and all that. Water should drain away pretty easy. We're the only people here. I love it. I love it. I think that's our spot right there. Good morning. It is Friday morning. Oh man, I guess it's afternoon now. I've just been sleeping all morning. I think my body needed it. Anyways, here's the view out the kitchen. Alright, there's the lake. Trees are changing, have a nice color. And if you remember last night, there was nobody here. Now look at it. It is packed full of people. Everywhere. They just keep coming in. We wanted to show you what the master plan is for 2019 at Atwood. So 106 campsites, 50 amp service, full hookups, paved RV pads. Here is a typical RV pad layout. Very nice. This is a typical shower house laundry facility. So when we were here back in July, this whole section was just dirt. And now it looks like it's just about done. The dump stations right up here. These are nice because there's 4. So this is their new dump station. They have 4 dumps. They have water fill here. I've never seen this before. They have air, and it is free. And then they have these beautiful, what are those handles? Let's check these out. Is that for the water? There's another water fill station over there. That one looks like it's full. Oh, that's cool. Is that the handle just for water? Let me see. Oh yeah. Wow. So these are pretty cool dump stations. Look how flexy. Oh my gosh.
Pretty nice.
Yeah, and they even have a pull in over there so you can start coming in waiting in line without clogging up the road. Wednesday, and we're just now getting this video finished because Sunday morning at Atwood I woke up not feeling well and haven't really felt 100% until yesterday. We had a great time. It was wet and rainy and cold, but we made the best of it, and we were camping, so we were having fun. Saturday was a great day. The rain stopped, the sun came out, everybody was out and about talking and walking around, and we met a couple, the Adventure Bandits. They have a YouTube channel. They said they were just starting out, but I've looked at some of his videos, and it seems like he's been doing it for a little while.
A little bit.
Yeah. So they have some pretty cool stuff. We haven't seen it all, but check them out, Adventure Bandits. We'll put a banner to their dealio. Saturday night turned out to be the best night. Everyone was out having campfires. In fact, there was a lot of dancing going on.
Oh, yes, the dancing.
People had a hard time getting fires started because everything was damp and wet, but we all helped each other out, and everybody had a fire. There was some pretty loud music for a while, but I don't think anybody minded.
No.
It was,
the Rangers were gone.
Yeah, the Rangers came Friday night and talked to some campers behind us, and they weren't being that loud, but I think it was more about how many easy ups they had on their site.
5?
Yeah, they had a pretty nice
5
setup.
Or 6?
But they had like 12 campers all together in a group. Anyways,
right.
Saturday night ended up being fun. We walked around from camper to camper, went over to the Adventure Bandits, hung out with them for a while.
Oh, we went and talked to Kara and Nick.
We went and talked to your friends, Kara and Nick. They have a nice fifth wheel with some pretty big dogs.
They do.
Yeah. It ended up being a great night Saturday night, and then I woke up Sunday feeling like crap. Oh, wait a minute. Maybe that's why. No, I was sick. I had something. anyways, we're going to close this Atwood video out. This is our second one from 2018, so sorry about that, but it's a fun park to go to. There's still a lot to do there that we haven't even done yet, and we've been there twice. The hiking was great. The fall colors were great. Can't wait to kayak there in the spring or summer. And we're going to close this out Wednesday at, what time is it?
I don't know. It seems like midnight.
It seems like midnight. I think it's only like 8 o'clock. But we're leaving tomorrow for another adventure.
Keep going out there. Keep making memories. And maybe we'll see you out there sometime.
Bye-bye.